Hey, this is Markos77, and today I want to show you how I make a Minecraft video. So first of all, I'm going to use Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free software from Windows that allows you to edit videos. There is a paid version, but you can do a lot with the free version. So I already have it installed, so I'm going to bring that up, and I'll hit Create a New Video. And once it loads, I'll go to Import Media. I have a Minecraft video already saved, so I'll open that up. And then I'm going to drag it down to this timeline. And I already know that I want to edit the first few seconds of it because there's some distortion from the microphone. So I'm going to try to delete the first 3 seconds. Alright, and so you can go to the scissor button, it says split, hit that, and then if you can, it's kind of hard, you got to find the little area you just clipped, right click it, and do delete. And then sometimes it'll leave a gap. I don't think it did this time, so I think we're okay. Oh wait, yeah, I think it did leave a gap, let me see. Delete this gap. Okay, I think we're good now. So now when it begins, the distortion should be gone. Hey! It's kind of gone. Okay. So we have this 9-minute and 55-second video. So one thing I do like to add is text, just to give a title to the video. So you can hit text and it gives you all these different options. I like one called double lines. So you click on that and then you go back to where the text is and you hit text on the right, and now I'm going to change this to mining straight down, because that's what I do in the video. Okay, mining straight down, and then I want to change the text color and the line color. And I want to change the type of font. I like one called Della Gothic. Yeah, that's cool. Then you can change the size, and then I'm going to kind of lift it up, and if you don't center it, it'll tell you with this purple line that it's centered now. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Hey, this is Markos77, and one of my favorite things to do is to go to this resource world on this Minecraft server at Classic S. Okay, so I like to put the name of the server also. So we can do another text. This one's called Groovy. It's a lot of fun. And I'm going to put in the name of the server. It's Classic SMP. Okay, let's make it blue. And then change the size a little. And then... Alright, it looks a little better now. Okay, so now when you go back, you'll have the first 2 text. Hey, this is Markos77. So you'll have the title. My favorite things to do is to go to this resource world on this Minecraft server at Classic SMP. Okay, and then you have the name of the server. So that's very cool. And then I like to put the address of the server. So we can add another text. And we can put the address of the server. It's Classic SMP. Okay. And we'll give it a color of light blue. We can make it the same font so there's consistency. Okay, and it'll tell you when it's centered. Okay, so now we have a title, and then we have the name of the server, and when it gets to the server, it'll look like this. It's Classic SMP. Takes night vision potions. I have 7 minutes left. And alright, so we got all the information. The video is just going to show me mining. It's kind of dumb. At the very end, I know I want to edit the end because it'll do this thing where I hit the escape button and it comes up with the menu, and I don't want to show that. So all we have to do is choose an ending or a mine shaft, but that was still pretty good. So we're going to go to the very ending. Okay, thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. Okay, I waited too late. I got to do it before that comes up. Alright. Okay, thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. Okay, so we've got it captured right before the menu comes on. So we can do clip again or split. The only problem is there's not enough that I'm cutting off. So there's another way you can do it. So we're gonna go, oh wait, I'm sorry. Now maybe we could do it. Let me do, okay, delete. And let's see if there's any kind of gap. Let's see what that did. Or a good. Alright. Okay, thanks for watching, and check out my other video. Okay, that's pretty good. I don't like how it ended, but we're gonna leave it just for this. Okay, so so that's done. That's a simple video, but sometimes I want to add a little bit of music to it. So you can go to YouTube Studio, and you can find a song to add to it. This song should be copyright free, so you won't get in trouble with YouTube. And you can see the video is 9 minutes and 53 seconds now. So let's see if we can find audio that's long. You can go to the audio library, and you can go to the space duration, and let's say 9 minutes 53 seconds. That's kind of long. Sometimes I'll do two songs together. Let's just see what it has. Okay, the ambient songs are pretty cool. Let's see what it sounds like. That's not bad. So just for this example, we'll use this song. So you just go over and you download it. Okay, and it's going to go to my downloads folder. And now I can go back, and I can go back to my media, import media. There's the song. So let's import it. Okay, it's imported, and now you just drag it down beneath the video, and you can see it's longer than the video. So what you're going to do is just drag this until you see a line. Okay, and that'll tell you the song and the video are the same amount of time now. You can click on this audio and then go up to audio up here, and let's turn it down just a little. I don't want it to be too loud. Okay, 12%, and let's see what that sounds like. Hey, this is SmartGoth77, and one of my favorite things to do is to go to this resource world on this Minecraft server. Ed's Classic SMP. Takes night vision potions. I have 7 minutes left. Okay, let's fast forward a little. And some more. Okay, it's good. The audio is matching up. Okay, it's not too loud. So we're pretty much done. So now we just go up here to export. I do not want to store it in the cloud, so I'm going to turn that off. And then I'm going to give it a name. I'll call it mining down, because I'm mining straight down. I like to use 1080p high quality. 4K seems really big, and I think you have to have the paid version to do 4K. So I'm just going to hit export, and it'll show you that it's exporting it. It's got about a minute left. And once this is done, I'm going to upload it to YouTube. You could upload it with the little command over here, or little menu over here, but I'm going to actually use the YouTube website because I'm just more used to it. Okay, we got about 30 seconds. And if you have other video editors that you use, feel free to tell me in the comments. I would love to try out a free video editor and see how it is compared to this, because I use Clipchamp all the time. Alright, about 5 to 10 seconds left. Okay, it'll tell you it's done. And it's in your downloads. So I'm going to minimize this. I can go to my folder and see that it's in my downloads. Mining down. Okay, so that's good. And now I'm going to go to YouTube.